Hi guys, so welcome back to In English. So since I'm in a coffee shop right now, maybe today we're going to talk about how to order coffee in a coffee shop. Okay, so sometimes you still get confused on how to order using English, so maybe this video will help. Okay, so the first part, usually when we enter the cafe, uh, the barista will ask like, how can I help you? What can I get for you today? Yeah, and then you can say something like, hi, can I have a latte please? Or I'd like iced coffee, for example. So what do you want? Yeah, so that's how you start the conversation in the coffee shop. Okay, and then to make it sound polite, you can say please. For example, could I get a cappuccino, please? That would be good. Yeah, that would be polite. And then after starting the conversation, you can also ask about the options. Like, for example, you get confused or you are not sure about what you want to order. You can say, what do you recommend? I'd like coffee, but what do you recommend? What is the best coffee here? What is your recommendation? That would be good. Yeah, you can ask about maybe the signature coffee way. That would be good. And maybe if you are on a diet or something, and then you can ask like, can I have any non-dairy milk? That would be nice too. So it depends. Yeah, you have uh, something that you want to know, ask that. Yeah, asking about the options, whether they have it or not, or simply maybe because you are confused, you can ask like, can I see the menu please? Yeah, that's basically what we say. And maybe the barista will ask you like, would you like that to be hot or iced? Yeah, and then you can say, I'll have it iced please. Okay, and next after that you can also customize your drink. For example, I'd like a coffee latte. And then you can customize it. Like, can I have the soy milk, please? Or can I have the almond milk, please? So, if you want to customize your drink, that's how you say that. Or maybe you can say something like, uh, can I make it less sugar? Can I have it less sugar? So, it's up to you. Or can you make it decaf? Yeah. And then you can also say something like, can I get an extra espresso for that? hmm So that's what usually you say. Or simply like, less sugar, please. For example, I'd like a caramel macchiato with oat milk, please. That's it, yeah. And then, besides of the drink, usually the cafe will also provide some snacks, yeah. And you can also ask about that as well. Like, can I get a muffin, please? Maybe, or do you have any sandwiches? Yeah. So if you want to know about the snack that is available, you can ask about that. For example, I will have a latte and a blueberry muffin, please. Okay. And after all of those, you can you can do the payment and end the conversation. How much is that? And then they will say like $5 or something, and then cash or credit. Cash would be good, or credit or something like that, and there you go. Thank you. Okay, so that's how you order your coffee. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you next video. Bye.